Meme coins are strongly taking off and they're probably the best performing sector in crypto lately. Also, meme coins are probably the sector where it's easiest to take money from, but there are some things that you should be careful of, so we're gonna address that today. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, I'm Željko and welcome to Crypto Grid. So meme coins are taking off so strong lately that I decided to make the video about them. I made one video in the past just showing pretty much how market makers are making money on one of the meme coins. So today we can see a really strong performance. If you look at the performance of the last week, some of them made like 60%, some of them made 3x, 4x, but in general they're showing really strong performance, and if we get a small pullback in the market, that might trigger even the stronger alt season and even the stronger performance of the meme coins. Even if we look through the history, many of them, if you look at Dogecoin, it's consistently in the top 10 coins. It was even higher before, but just one tweet from Elon Musk or something like that can trigger the price for like 50% or more up. And if you look in the markets, one of the hardest thing to do for new projects is to actually drive traction. And meme coins are doing that automatically, pretty much based on multiple things. The first thing is that people like to advertise the projects on which they're in profit. And if they invest early in the meme coins, they will be making profits for sure. And if they are making 20x, 30x profits on something, they will obviously tell their friends, look at this coin, I made 20x on it, it's good, and there are high odds that that friend is looking for a pullback or maybe even not looking for a pullback, they're just FOMOing in and increasing the price of that token even more. The good thing with meme coins is they often have a fair launch, and usually the project starts really small, and it's much easier to increase something from like 1 million to 100 millions than to increase something from, let's say, 100 million to, let's say, $10 billion, which is like the same increase in price of like 100x. Also, if you compare meme coins with other projects, meme coins are often released with a fair launch, while some other projects have some team allocation and things like that, which creates additional selling pressure. For the meme projects, a lot of people are waiting for 100x, 1000x, pretty much really high numbers in order to sell. So these people that invested in the project, they are pretty much advertising the project for free, waiting to make 100x on it. While on the other projects, for example, if you look especially layer ones which have some higher API staking, you can see that the people that invested a lot of money, they're pretty much selling off, they're staking rewards consistently, so they reduce the risk and their exposure to that specific project. In meme projects, these things doesn't happen. Like majority of the people are just sticking to it until they are happy with returns, and often that never ends, and you can often hear from people that they held through the top and they're still holding specific asset, whether that's a Bitcoin, meme coin, or something else. And you can often see that many people held through the peak of bull market pretty much until the next one, because they haven't took the profits when it's a great time to take profits, and they didn't want to take the lose either. So they are usually waiting to break even or something like that to exit that position. Another great thing is that people don't look if the project is fundamentally good, what's the technology behind it. As its name says, it's a meme project. The expectations regarding the technology are pretty much non-existent. Its expectations is that the community will grow and that the more people will buy in, and that's what will increase the price in the longer run. It's also known in crypto space that, for example, if you take some specific chain, let's say Solana, and if you look meme coins on Solana, it's always expected that the meme coins will surpass the performance of its chain. So, for example, if you look like the leading coins there, which are like Bonk and what's the name of the other one, Dog with Hat or something like that, it's expected that it will surpass the Solana performance. And many people are actually incentivized with that they actually invest into the meme coins into investing the chain itself. So looking for new coins or new chains or layer 2s, it offers a great opportunity for investors, but you should actually be careful to not invest into something that will be rugged or something like that. Also, when it comes to meme coins and taking profits, what I'm doing, it might be controversial and many people might not like it, but let's look into the chart. For example, if you look at chart of Toshi, many people will say you should just buy in and wait until you get 100x. What I'm doing, it's actually slightly opposite. I try to accumulate as much here, and I'm selling all the way up and I'm buying all the way down. Yeah, on this way you might never get this entry price unless the project is failing completely, for example, but the good thing is that there will always be new projects, new opportunities to take profits from them, and to expect from Incoin to jump 50%, even here it's 3-4x, even from this point it's much higher. Honestly, I started investing somewhere around here, and just by buying as the price is decreasing and selling as the price is increasing, I managed to make above 50% in January, and I made even more than that in February. I'm just looking to calculate the exact returns, and I will publish them on Twitter in the next few days. So many people will advocate that you invest smaller amounts of money at lower ranges. What I prefer, when I see that we are approaching to some support levels, I invest higher amount in comparison to them probably, but I start exiting the position as soon as I see the start is coming back again in order to take some profits, and then I can accumulate even more of that asset if the price starts dropping down again. If you're picking the largest meme coin on its chain, it reduces the risk, obviously. It's still risky and you need to be aware of that, but the strategy that I'm applying, in my opinion, it's much better than waiting for something to go 100x, because in this way, if you make 2-3x, you're already taking profits, you're front running these people that are making 100x, and often you will see that the price is oscillating in some range, as you are seeing here, and while others can just watch their position and expect the market to go higher, you can take the profits from Toshi, for example, and invest into something else, which expands your exposure to more different assets, or you can have higher position in one of them. Even though this might sound ridiculous, I think that meme coins are highly connected to communities, and they're highly connected to crypto markets, and I think it's a narrative that will always remain. So it's a great opportunity to take good profits in crypto. Obviously, you don't want to have 100% of your portfolio in meme coins, but it's something, if you are patient, you will always, maybe you won't get higher highs, but you will have always the opportunity to make at least 2x from the current prices on majority of them. So I always prefer to look for new ones. I always prefer the ones that have 100% tokens released in circulation, because it's always a good thing to see. You want them to be highly active on Twitter, Telegram, and socials in general. So I hope that you like the video. Use these narratives, use these crazy opportunities. I don't want to shield any specific coins to you. This was just a demonstration for Toshi as well. So if you like the video, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay strong and healthy. Bye.